Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to do a soft reset of your SOUNDCORE AeroFit Pro. So once we are here and you do have the headphones removed from the case, we have to open the case and place our headphones inside of the case. Now, wait a moment. Once they are in, we have to hold these buttons for 5 seconds to turn our headphones off. Now, after these 5 seconds, what I recommend doing is to wait another 10 seconds. And after these another 10 seconds, we have to hold these buttons again for 5 seconds until we do see these white lights up. Here it is, on the left one, on the right one you didn't see that. Okay, but actually that's how it works. You just have to hold this until you see this white light over here, and they should be turned on. If it doesn't work inside the case, it works outside the case. My headphones are actually so broken and used, as you can see, and it is seen that they are used and somehow broken, so that's why it doesn't work. But that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.